Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to format cell in Excel. So we are going to apply different font size, font style, font colors, fill color, borders and alignment to this data. So first of all, we will see how to increase or decrease font size. So for this, first of all, select the data. And here you can see font size, click on it, and from here you can increase or decrease font size. For example, I am selecting this 12 point. Alongside it, here is font style. So you can see here are numerous font style which are available. You can select whatever you want. Suppose I am selecting this one. And now if you want to change the font color, you can change it from here. There are lot of options of colors. Suppose I am selecting this one. Furthermore, you can fill color in the background of the cells. So here are the options available. You can also go in more colors and select the color of your choice. Say I am selecting this one and click on OK, and you can see the background color is changed. Now with the fill color, you can see the grid lines have also disappeared. So we will add borders to this. So go in borders. Here are different options available: bottom border, top border, left, right. So I am selecting all borders. And now you can see the borders are added. The next thing is the alignment of the text. Select this, and here you can see different alignments are available: top align, center align. Here you can see center align, or align right, align left, bottom align. Furthermore, you can select the headings and you can bold them, and suppose here is the total, you can bold them, you can make them italic. I am also changing its alignment to center line. So here are different ways in which you can format the cell in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.